that door. Ancient old door.
Gas, so
that's cool, isn't it? Right, here's a nice little church of St. Nicholas's. And it's got this weird door system where it's like concertinaed. But look, nice old church. Well, here we are. This is where we are. St. Nicholas, Combe Raleigh. That up there is beautiful. It's up the belfry, up that way. It's just had a service here, and there's a chap outside putting a cremation in the ground. Look, here we go. We got the font. Looks beautiful. Nice stone one. Nice pillars. It's not an enormous church, but it's lovely. Key rings with these. They're little. They look like little things you would stick in the font to keep the water in. What's this here? Can we read this? Can you read that? There. Look at that, not beautiful. Well, most churches got these things in them. Let's give a date on that, 1661 on that one. Cool. Walk up towards the altar. We're actually walking downhill. It feels like I'm walking downhill on this one. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. Head up down this way. There's a bit of stone was there. And 2 steps. 1, 2. There's another little empty room in here. There's a stone on the floor. Hilary Hall. Died 1807. Electric organ up here, I suppose. There's a book painter in here. Oh, back around again. There's the organ here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Lovely. It's got a nameplate above it. Look at that in a minute. Nice stained glass windows in it. Hopefully I'll be able to fly around this one. Because it's nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Nobody to disturb here. Right there. There's the roll of honour. Only seen one war graven in the cemetery. This one's called Margaret Stairs. So basically they go up to there, and then they come out here, and then they gotta watch the step. And that's it. Wow. There's a big box here, what's that say? 1683 on the box. Here we got the pulpit. Look around the side of it. Nice wooden pulpit. Beautiful. Nice carvings on it. And over here we got the it's just a little thing for reading the sermon from. What's that on the floor?